Welcome to your Jet H2 Ultra Handheld Induction-Charged Electrostatic Applicator. Step number 1. Unboxing. Carefully open up the Jet H2 Ultra box and lay out all accessories. Step number 2. Review Operator's Manual. Review the Jet H2 Operator's Manual to familiarize yourself with the Jet H2 and its accessories. Step number 3. Charging the battery. You have two options to charge the battery. Either open the dust cover on the charging port on the battery itself, or insert the battery into the unit and open the dust cover on the charging port. Attach the power adapter. With the power adapter attached, plug the AC charger into any standard 110-volt wall outlet. The AC charger's LED charge indicator light will be red when the battery is charging and will turn green when the battery is fully charged. 4 LED lights on the battery will illuminate to show a rough estimated power level when you press the charge indicator button. Charge the battery fully before first using the Jet H2. Step 4. Add your chemistry. The next step is to fill the Jet H2 reservoir with your chemistry. Simply unlatch the reservoir cap, pull it back, and pour your chemistry in. Make sure the reservoir cap is completely locked before using the Jet H2. Step number 5. Insert the battery. Now that the battery is fully charged, insert it into its compartment, confirming it is locked in. Step number 6. Attach the grounding tether. To attach your ground tether to the Jet H2, simply snap it onto the back of the unit. The tether will ground any minor electrostatic charge that the Jet H2 builds up. When using the Jet H2, the tether should touch the ground as often as possible. But don't worry, if it doesn't touch the ground at all times, that's okay. The tether has small stainless steel antennae that allow the Jet H2 to off-charge into the air. Step number 7. Power on and operate. Since you've charged your battery inside the Jet H2, you're ready to power on the machine. Simply press the top power button once to get the spray started. It may take the unit 2 to 3 seconds to start. Press the button a second time to turn it off. To operate the Jet H2 Ultra, position yourself about 2 to 3 feet away and simply follow the outline of the object you are cleaning. It is not necessary to saturate the surface of what you are cleaning or cover all sides of what you are cleaning, because the Jet H2 Ultra uses induction-charged electrostatic technology. The chemistry will distribute evenly and completely, wrapping around objects like table legs, support bars, and chair arms. Step number 8. Clean and store the Jet H2 Ultra. After use, be sure to wipe down the nozzle cone and other parts. A slightly wet nozzle is normal. Empty the chemistry out of the unit. Rinse the tank with water. Purge the unit by turning it on. And store empty.